Good afternoon to all of you. I am deeply honored to address all of you in this Bangalore Summit 2024, representing Karnataka, a state which has fronted many technological innovation, and I welcome to the 27th edition of the esteemed event. The theme Unbound perfectly captures our journey as we continue to break barriers related to technology and innovation. Here, my Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah ji is here. Mr. Priyank Kharge, our ITBT Minister, and is also Minister for Rural Development, who has taken this drive very successfully. On behalf of our state is also here. My Skill Development Minister, Mr. Sharan Prakash is here. The legislator, Mr. Rizwan is here, who is trying to shape Bangalore. And all my officer, my Chief Secretary, Rajnish Shalish, Ekup Kaur, and our other all leaders, tycoons. I think many tycoons are here. I can't name every one of them. Today, I think you all are seeing how Bangalore has grown. Bangalore has not grown only by the government. The success story lies with all of you. And I would like to congratulate all of you are making Bangalore and this country proud today. Welcoming to Bangalore Technology Summit and Unbound today. I am just here to talk about the remarkable strides Karnataka has made. I am here to welcome one and all of our innovators, entrepreneurs, technologists, creatives, and dreamers to be part of something extraordinary. Karnataka has been a land of visionaries, pioneers, and game changers for being the birthplace of India's IT revolution to lead the charge in the biotech. We have started boundaries and set a new standard of excellence. We have been unbound by limitation, constantly pushing the envelope what is possible. Let me tell you that best is yet to come and we all are waiting for it. Karnataka, a global technology and innovation leader. I am proud to share Karnataka is ranked the first in the Niti Aayog India Innovation Index, reflecting our unwavering commitment to the leadership and progress. On the world stage, Karnataka is India's largest chip designer and a key hub for machine tools, manufacturing chip designers, over 85 fabulous chip designing houses. We are the heartbeat of India's semiconductor industries. Beyond that, we supply about 52% of India's biotech workforce, shaping the future of life science globally. We just lead it, IT, we define it. It is always something feeling special to be the Bangalore Technical Summit. Nothing can match the buzz, excitement, and innovation that the summit brings. I am delighted to see this summit has grown to be one of the most significant tech summits in the world today. Government, IT industry, bureaucrats, political leaders have worked hard to make this event what is today, including our policy makers. The world, and not to forget that all our guests from around the world who have been gracing the summit year after year, it is important to remember all those who are people here today. If Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had not demonstrated the foresight to set up a series of public sectors in Bangalore, Bangalore perhaps would not be the Bangalore today. It is all those visionaries, educationists had set up many engineering colleges and technological institutes in Bangalore. Perhaps Bangalore would not be a Bangalore today. If Ajim Premji, Narayan Murthy, or Kiran Mazdar of Biocon, leaders like that had not ventured out, perhaps Bangalore would not have been Bangalore today. If thousands of Bangalore had not chosen Bangalore for their startups, Bangalore perhaps would not be the Bangalore today as their efforts. But Bangalore has been and Karnataka has been growing rapidly. With such a growth comes out many issues. We need to fix it before bust or scams. I would guarantee that I will spare no efforts in fixing Bangalore. But there are various issues which my Chief Minister and my IT Minister also will focus on issues. But as a Bangalore Minister and the Deputy CM of Karnataka, I would like to assure you, I know you all are looking at the infrastructure, what we are going to create. I know that Bangalore, lot of issues has to be sorted out. But under the leadership of Mr. Siddaramaiah, we all are working together. We know that we have come out on the infrastructure, on whatever the traffic issues, whatever the various issues which you all have been committed. We have been looking at. Bangalore, I have been looking at various cities, but all cities are compared to the same. But still, we have a commitment to see that your timing is very much important. Whatever the infrastructure development which has to be created on the world class, we are committed to it, and Karnataka government will do it within a time-bound program. Already on the power sector, you know that we are self-sufficient with power, and Bangalore itself has been a very great initiative. Recently, we inaugurated 350 megawatt of gas, so that not even a single minute of power should not be gone out of our system, so that in whatever the infrastructure the Karnataka needs and whatever you need, Karnataka government is committed with every support, whatever we can. We know that the world is looking at us, India is looking at. We are there to welcome you and give you a support in whatever may be. Our policy makers have already come up. I think we are coming out with various policies which you will have to look at and you will have to suggest. Today you have a lot of suggestions which you are came, several such incentives which will be improve cases of living and doing ease of businesses in the city. Bangalore will soon be unbound, and our government want to ensure that city of tomorrow is not timed by infrastructure issues. Let us take a pledge to break never boundaries in these days to make ourselves, our nation, our cities, our state and our country unbound. Karnataka is a global leader in ammunition, value effects, gaming, comics and extended reality sector, setting the international benchmarks. As you know that AVGS Center is Karnataka has supported a landmark project like various, even the film industries have taken up a train. We train about 25,000 students, nearly 70% of the workforce is being created on professionals. We also are the leader in intellectual property. Karnataka tops India for the number of the patent applications, compared to the states like Delhi, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka constantly ranked the higher in the intellectual property figures per capita. As you know that online in the future, we have about 650,000 plus employees in Karnataka are being trained on generative AI skills in 2024 with 9x index in general AI-related activities, and current year in 2023 and 24, the surge of AI activities is just one example of how we are posing ourselves at the cutting edge of the future. Talking about Karnataka place in the world stage, our state at home is about 650 global capacity centers, hosting the largest share of India's GEC talent. Our city, Bangalore, is home to account 4,000 Fortune among the 500 companies. Karnataka is a global destination for startups, and I'm proud to say that the world tech leaders call Karnataka home. Looking ahead, unbound potential, the most exciting part, we're just getting started. Karnataka future is unbound, and one of our greatest strength in the energy and innovation of the youth. We nearly 30% of our population between the ages of 15 to 29. Karnataka is a state powered by the creative, ambitious young minds. The vibrant, dynamic demographic is not only shaping the future of our state, but is poised to lead the country and leave a lasting global impact. I invite you to all to break the barriers within us, innovative, collaborate, and build a future that impossible becomes possible. Together, let us make Karnataka a local beacon of the education and inclusion driven by the strength and vision of the youth. To conclude, the Karnataka stands at the crossroads of limitless potential powered by the innovation driven by our clusters of excellence and united by the collective vision of the people. The Bangalore Tech Summit 24 is not just gathering of the minds. It is the beginning of a movement that will define what is possible and create the future that generates that has come to the proud of. Let us ensure that Bangalore Tech Summit 24 becomes the starting point of the level. Together, we can break barriers, forge new frontiers, and ensure that Karnataka remains a shining beacon and progress, inclusion, and innovation of the world stage. Thank you. Let us make this journey one of the history books. Dhanyavadagalu, Namaskar. Thank you. Once again, on behalf of Government of Karnataka, I welcome you. Let us all join together. You have an opportunity to think, share, lot of discussion. I think a lot of things will come out, but Karnataka is committed for your open suggestions in ease of doing business, and whatever you feel free to share us. Let us work together to see that Bangalore, Karnataka is proud to see that India will have a very great leap. I wish you all the best. Thank you.